Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cupcake liners at home. First, gather your essential materials. You will need a roll of parchment paper, a pair of sharp scissors, a pencil, and a round object, such as a drinking glass, with a diameter of about 4.5 inches. Make sure your parchment paper is suitable for baking to ensure safety and effectiveness. Now, let's move on to measuring and cutting. Take your chosen round object, which should be approximately 4.5 inches across. Place it on your parchment paper and use your pencil to trace around its edge, creating perfect circles. Repeat this process until you have enough circles for your baking needs. Then, carefully cut out each circle, striving for neat, even edges. Next, we will form the liners. Take one of your perfectly cut parchment circles and gently place it into a cup of your muffin tin. Carefully press the paper down, molding it to the contours of the cup. For a crisp, defined shape, use a smaller glass or a spice jar to firmly press the paper into the creases, ensuring it holds its form well. Finally, let's talk about baking with your new homemade liners. These parchment paper liners are excellent for preventing your delicious cupcakes or muffins from sticking to the pan, ensuring easy removal. They offer a wonderful, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly alternative to pre-made liners. Enjoy baking your favorite treats with these simple, effective, and custom-made liners.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.